The student of class 11. Now from today I'm going to start new chapter. This is called compound angles. Now this chapter is also very important chapter of trigonometry. Now these are the formulas I've written over here, the 10 formula that you can take the screenshot of these formulas. See, from the formulas what you will observe is a plus b, a minus b is there. Now what is compound angle? Now with this formula we can define the compound angle. I have written these things over here. Now try to understand the definition of compound angle. Compound angle means algebraic sum or the algebraic difference of more than one angle. Like algebraic sum or the algebraic difference of more than one angle. That is a plus b is the sum of two angles. A and b are the angles. This is sum of the two algebraic angles and this is called compound angle. Like a minus b is also a compound angle, b minus c is compound angle, b plus c minus a is also compound angle. Now from this we can say the algebraic sum or the algebraic difference of more than one acute angles are called compound angle. Now there are 10 formulas of compound angle and all the 10 formulas are important. Now the first formula is sine a plus b. Sin a plus b is equals to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Second is sin a minus b. Its formula is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Third one is cos a plus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Similarly, tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b over 1 minus tan a tan b. Another one is tan a minus b tan b over 1 plus tan a tan b. Cot a plus b is cot b cot a minus 1 over cot b plus cot a. Eighth formula is cot a minus b is cot a cot b cot a plus 1 over cot b minus cot a. Number 9 and 10 formula, rarely will use these two formulas, but these two formulas are important for those who are going to sit for the entrance or for the ND examinations. As well as in IAC also these things are important. Sin a minus b into sin a plus b or sin a plus b into sin a minus b. There are two formulas. One is sin square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus cos square a also you can write. It's according to the requirement of the numerical we'll use these two formulas. Similarly, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. The formula is cos square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus sin square a. With these formulas that you have to learn these two formulas perfectly, and every preceding chapter, every one after another chapter is related. In compound angle, we will use these 10 formulas only and the basic concept of class 10. But in another chapter that you have to use that chapter formula as well as compound angle, and the trigonometry is interrelated. Whatever the formula I'll give you, learn perfectly, otherwise you will face problem. Now we'll solve some numericals. Now dear student, I'll start with question number 11, exercise 6, and the question is, the remaining questions are formula derivations which are not required in class 11. Now the question is, now try to understand, sine 20 degree cos 25 degree plus cos 20 degree into sine 25 degree equals to 1 over root 2. Now how to tackle this kind of questions? Now say, first of all, I'll take left hand side, LHS. LHS is sine 20 degree cos 25 degree plus cos 20 degree sine 25 degree. Now it is in terms of which form? It is in terms of sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Now it is in terms of, this question is in terms of sine A cos B plus cos A sine B form. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B is equals to sine A plus B. It's a formula number 1. Now similarly, if I apply this formula over here, now say sine 20 degree cos 25 degree cos 20 degree sine 25 degree. If I use same formula, then this is in terms of sine A cos B plus cos A plus sine B, means sine A plus B. Sine 20 plus sine 25 is 45 degree. and the value of sine 45 degree is 1 over root 2. This is equals to right hand side. This one is the basic concept of formula, but you don't expect this kind of question in examination. This is very easy. The student, another question that I'm going to do is tan 45 minus a is equals to, question number 12.1, tan 45 degree minus a is equals to 1 minus tan a over 1 plus tan a. Similarly, I'll take left hand side for this. LHS. LHS is tan 45 degree minus a. Then this identity that you have to prove. Now say, I'll write formula for today's class. Now it is in terms of tan a minus b. Now what is the formula of tan a minus b? This is equals to tan a minus tan v over 1 plus tan a tan v. Now tan a minus b is formula. I'll use tan a. 45 is considered as a and a is considered as b. I'll use this formula. It is tan 45 degree minus tan a over 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan a. Now what you will get? Tan. The value of tan 45 degree is 1 minus tan a over 1 plus tan 45 is again 1 into tan a. This is equals to 1 minus tan a over 1 plus tan a, and this is equals to right hand side. This is proved. Now if it is not visible, then clearly you can see this video formula that I've used over here. Now this is another question, but formula is same. I'll take left hand side, LHS. Now LHS is equals to tan 45 degree plus a into tan 45 degree minus a. In this case, that you have to use both the formulas of tan a plus b into tan a minus b. Tan a plus b formula is tan a plus tan v over 1 minus tan a tan v into, similarly in previous sums only use this formula. Tan a minus b formula is tan a minus tan v over 1 plus tan a. Tan a is 45 degree, tan a tan v. Now then I'll substitute the value. 1 plus tan a 45 degree is 1 over 1 minus tan 45 degree is 1. 1 into tan a is tan a into tan 45 is 1 minus tan a over 1 plus tan 45 degree is 1 into tan v is tan v. Now this to ratio of similar quantities we can cancel, and everything is cancelled out, and this is equals to 1 to right hand side. You just have to use formula. Now the student learn these formulas and sums. Tomorrow you will get 2 videos of compound angle, and tomorrow only I'll try to finish the 75% of your compound angle. This much for today. Please learn the formulas perfectly, then only you'll understand. Thank you.